In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the decimal separator in Excel. If your numbers in Excel are showing with the wrong decimal or thousands format, don't worry. This is a quick setting you can adjust directly inside Excel, and it's especially useful if you work with different regional number formats. For example, some formats use a period for decimals and a comma for thousands, while others do the opposite. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to change that setting. Start by opening Excel and looking at the top left corner of the window. Click on File. This will open Excel's Backstage menu where you can access app-level settings rather than just worksheet tools. Once you're in the File menu, look down toward the bottom left side and click Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where you can customize how Excel behaves. In the Excel Options window, click Advanced. This section contains a lot of editing and display settings, so if it looks a little busy, that's completely normal. You'll want to scroll carefully if needed and focus on the area related to editing options. Now, find the setting called Use System Separators and click it to turn it off. By default, Excel usually follows your computer's regional settings, which means it automatically uses the decimal and thousands separators set by your operating system. Disabling this option lets you manually choose the separators you want Excel to use. After that, go to the decimal separator field. Here, you can enter the symbol you want Excel to use for decimals. For example, if you want decimals to appear with a comma instead of a period, change it here. This is the main setting that controls how values like fractions and precise numbers are displayed and interpreted. Next, move to the thousands separator field. Enter the symbol you want to use for separating larger numbers. Depending on your preferred format, you can set this to a comma, a period, or another supported character. Just make sure your decimal and thousand separators are different from each other, otherwise Excel may not interpret numbers correctly. Once both fields are set the way you want, click OK to save your changes. That's it. Excel will now use your custom separators for number formatting. If you ever want to switch back to the default behavior, just return to the same settings and turn Use System Separators back on. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference when working with international data, financial reports, or spreadsheets shared across different regions.